Well, hey there, beautiful people. Happy hump day. Hope everybody's day has gotten off to an amazing start so far. Mine sure has. My question for you lovelies today is, are you procrastinating and doing the daily activities that you know that you should be doing to be taking your business to the next level? Because maybe you're kind of intimidated by the process. Well, stick around because I'm gonna really help you today. I'm gonna talk to you about posture and how it can make such a really big difference in your life. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Betsy, and I help network marketing women to master their mindset, to get out of their head and be able to get out there and crush your business and live the life of your dreams. Today I'm going to talk to you about posture and how it can really help you in your business, and even if you're brand new, it can really help you in your business. So I had interest in cattle for this video, and you'd be totally living under a rock, obviously, if you haven't heard, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, I'm going to be so bold as to say that posturing up every day keeps the fear away. And when I say posture, I'm not talking about, standing up straight while you're prospecting or sitting straight while you're sitting down or whatever, although that is a really good way to up your confidence and can certainly make you feel better about yourself. But the posture that I'm talking about here is your belief. You see, the reason that you're afraid to take action in your business is that either you don't believe in you don't believe in your opportunity, or you don't believe in your product, or maybe a combination of all three of these things, which is, yikes. Anyway, I used to be there, so I know what posture can do in helping you to take action, because it absolutely worked for me. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to check your beliefs, and you need to figure out where that place is that you're lacking belief in. Is it yourself and your ability to lead people? Is it your opportunity, or maybe just the network marketing industry in general? A lot of people have a problem here. Or is it that you're unsure of your products, or maybe you haven't had great results with your product yet, or maybe you're so new that you haven't even tried your product yet? Well, either of these things can totally stop you dead in your tracks, because see, our brains are wired to keep us safe, and they absolutely hate change. So if you have a limiting belief, then your brain is going to do everything that it can do to cause you to procrastinate every single day and to sabotage your results, okay? So if your limiting belief is around network marketing and the industry in general, excuse me, I suggest you start reading great industry books. There's so many of them. Things like Go Pro by Eric Worre. The 4-Year Career by Richard Brooke is phenomenal. And it's also a really good book to give people that are suspect about the industry. Get Over Your Damn Self by Romy Dunstedt is great. Sarah Robbins also has a really good book. And there are just a ton of industry books that you can read that will build your belief in network marketing and this incredible opportunity that you have to offer people. Because what's happening for you right now is you're turning your focus inward, and you're focusing on yourself instead of this incredible gift that you have to give away that can enable someone to quit their job, to maybe not have to file bankruptcy, to be able to keep their home, to stay home with their families. Guys, people are searching for a way out every single day, and you hold the answer to their solution right here in your hands. If your belief is surrounding your product, then try the products if you haven't. And if you haven't had great results, most companies nowadays have testimonial pages where people give their testimonies. I know that my company, we've got like 250,000 people that have given their testimonials, and I am absolutely so rock solid sold out on my business and my product that there's absolutely nobody that can tell me that it doesn't work, okay? So if you're kind of suspect in your product or whatever, make sure that you are watching and looking at other people's testimonials and learning their stories, so that when you do have people that or maybe questioning you about the product, that you have other people's stories that you can either tag them on Facebook or something that you can at least tell them in person, okay? And my friend, if the problem is you, that's where personal growth comes in, okay? And once again, you're focusing on yourself. And as soon as you can get out of that focus of the, oh my gosh, I'm trying to get my friends and my family to do something, and switch it around to, oh my gosh, I have this incredible opportunity that I should be feeling guilty about if I don't talk to every single person that I know and love. That's where your posture needs to be. And understand, guys, some are going to say no. And if they do, that should never, ever affect your posture whatsoever, okay? That's why if your belief in yourself is lacking, when you first get started, you have to make sure that you are 10 feet tall and bulletproof on the industry and your product and the gift that you have to give away to people, okay? You have to be sold out and do whatever it takes, because they're going to feel that. They're going to feel that in your energy, and then they're going to want to join you. Guys, people don't want to be left behind. But if you're approaching them with the posture of a worm, they're not going to want any part of it. You see, you can be scared out of your mind, okay? And you can still... Okay, interesting. Just got cut off. You can be scared out of your mind and you can still have posture. And it's that posture that's going to get you to take the action that you need to take. Because just as Mark Twain says, when you do the thing you fear, the death of fear is certain. And the more you take action, the more success you're going to have and the more posture you're going to have. To the point where no one can stop you from taking action anymore, because you're so excited about this incredible gift that you have to give away. And you, my friend, at that point will have a rock star, unstoppable business. So guys, if you found this information helpful, I'd appreciate it if you'd share it with somebody that you think might benefit. Please know I'm here for you anytime for prayers or anything that you need. Feel free to reach out to me at any time. Really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Hope everybody has an awesome rest of your day. Take care. God bless.